have a parents meeting, so let's get ready with me. So, of course, yung meeting ko, Zoom lang naman. So, very, very light lang and very, very fresh lang yung gagawin natin. Kahit online meeting to, we cannot forget our moisturizer and toner and all the skin prep that we need to put on our skin. Especially if exposed tayo sa lights because of the ring lights and all, diba? Kasi kailangan natin ng mailaw tayo when we do the Zoom meeting. Of course, yung radiation from the laptop, ganyan, we really need to put our skin prep and our sunblock. Lagay na ako ng aking very favorite pharmacy, Feeling Good. This is not sponsored, by the way, baka naman, pharmacy. And now I'm putting my Oxecure moisturizer aside from the Feeling Good. Kasi lately, I have noticed that yung skin ko parang, ano siya, weird. Parang may dry patches. Now, we are gonna put my primer and I'm using my Smashbox. I also like this one kasi it leaves my skin with a velvety finish and it's really, really nice. Ayan. Now that tapos na tayo dyan sa ating primer, now we will move on to my, it's not sponsored, this is Laura Mercier. And I'm just gonna put it like so and I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend it because we don't need so much coverage. Zoom meeting lang naman. And what I just want is, of course, I want to look decent. Ayan, lagay natin siya hanggang sa eyes natin. Ang napaka-weird talaga ng aking skin ngayon. You know guys, diba, I just came out from COVID and it's parang ang weird niya. Nagkaka-acne ako. Alam na ko ibang nilalagay. So anyway, now that we're done with the tinted moisturizer, I'm gonna move on to my concealer and I am using Rare Beauty and I'm just going to put it in the inner corner of my eye. Ayan, and the redness under my nose and around it. And I'm not gonna cover up so much, just like that, my fingers. And hindi tayo masyadong pabongga yung makeup, no? It's just that I just really want to look decent for a meeting. Kasi parang hindi naman tayo mukhang haggard. Nag-homeschool ka na nga, mukha ka pang haggard. Ay, ang pangit naman, no? Just spreading light so all over, actually, my eyelids, ganyan. Maganda na rin to. You don't have to use an eye primer. You can actually use your concealer if wala kang eye primer, diba? There's another hack that you can do. Now that na-cover up na niya yung aking dark eye, now I'm going to put my Rare Beauty in the shade Face. Just gonna use cheek tint like so. Ganyan. And cheek tint. Then lang natin. Tap, 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 tap. Ganyan. This is a very nice, aside from that, this is very creamy and very blendable and it stays super long. It's actually vegan. Sa mga sensitive skin and very cautious with the ingredients, this is actually very, very good. This is made out of vegan ingredients and it is cruelty free. Now we will put our kilay. I'm gonna use this Etude brow pencil, the color brown. And very mild lang yung kilay natin, not the kabog na kilay. It's a parents meeting, you have to look formal. Just so my eyes will be awake, I'm using this Peri-Pera under Rosy. I'm just gonna use it under my eye. See, dito, may mirror ako dito. Just to have that pinkish under eye, para mas mukhang bata. Notice nyo yung mga bata, reddish pa yung underliner nila. So now, I'm going to put my eyeliner. I will be using the K-pallet in dark brown. I use K-pallet. I love K-pallet. Really, really do love them. I want that scoop ends of the eyeliner. So, I'll straighten it. Mas maganda. Mas precise kasi siya if it's really straight. Ayoko yung parang pa-scoop. And now, I'm just going to use this Dr. Sensitive All Day Sebum No Powder. This is what I use actually pag mga Zoom meeting. Or like if I just need to go to supermarket, I want to look decent and put together. Totoo, go sebum talaga siya, mga Mars. So, yan, may pimples talaga ako ngayon. Put it all over my face and I'm not going to bake it. Pa-powder ko lang talaga siya, literally. And I add some more in areas where I usually oil up. And don't forget your neck, your ears. Ga-highlight tayo. I am using this Blk in champagne color. This is in Prosecco Pop. This is kind of like a champagne shade color. Just gonna put it somewhere here under my eye and just go up like that. The inner corner of my eye. I'm going to use this blending brush and I'm gonna get a brown shade. My Squad Cosmetics in Quadlet. I don't know if they still have this one, but ang tagal niyang maubos because it is very pigmented. I'm just gonna go over my crease like so and blend it towards the inner corner. Super dali lang talaga. You can never go wrong when you use neutral color. And now I'm just going to use that a little bit of dark brown just to have that and definition on my eye. You can see it. It's easier kasi pabaliktad ako. I do the eyeliner first and then I do my eyeshadow most of the time kasi I want boundaries. I want a margin para hindi ko naglagay na ako ng eyeshadow tapos puputulin ko na naman because of the eyeliner. So, I usually do this trick because this works for me. It's easier. And then now that we're done with the eyeshadow, the brown eyeshadow, I'm gonna move on to my nose line or nose contour. And I'm gonna use this Etude contour powder. This is in the shade 1. And I'm just going to follow my nose line but make it a little bit narrower para mas matangos. I love this one kasi this actually just gives you that shadow effect. Not really yung parang, wow, ang dark ng nose line mo. Para ka mukhang may number 11 sa mukha. It's not like that. This is actually very nice because you can build it up. It's very subtle lang. Gives you that cool contour. I'm gonna move on to my contour. For my contour, same product that I used. And I'm not gonna go under the hollows of my cheeks, but rather going a little bit on top, move around my forehead. Of course, hindi makakalimutan yung jawline na yan. And double chin na. My lip oil, and I'm going to use this Blk in Seashell. I love this. Love how the shade reflects to my lips and to my skin. It is just a perfect shade for my skin tone. We're actually done. And super dali lang, diba? And then now I'm just gonna blend everything out using a blending brush para walang harsh lines. And it will just look seamless. Mascara, that volume but not so lengthy. Lashes kasi zoomatic lang naman. Kalma lang. Kalmadong look lang tayo, mga moms. I'm just gonna finish off my full look and I'll get back to you. What do you think? Would you wear this kind of makeup when you attend a Zoom meeting? If you do, please let me know and comment down on the comment section below. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook page, please do also. That's Tonya de Guzman. Till our next, mga mommies, thank you for watching.